Welcome to the Explainer. So look, Africa is right in the middle of this unprecedented tech boom, right? And the demand for digital skills is absolutely skyrocketing. We're talking millions of jobs opening up over the next decade. Well, today, we're breaking down a direct response to that massive shift, the DFEM InnovaTech Tech Scholarship Cohort 2.0. It's an incredible program with a really warm, human-centered focus, and it's all about unlocking the immense potential of young African talent. What if one opportunity could completely change your future? Man, it's a heavy question, isn't it? Because right now, there are literally thousands of incredibly talented young people out there. They've got the raw passion, they've got the drive, but they just don't have access to quality tech education. And that gap, that massive disconnect between having the passion to succeed and actually getting the education you need, well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. Section 1, Empowerment Through Technology. Okay, let's dive into this and look at the actual philosophy driving the InnovaTech scholarship. The core mission here is just profound. At DFEM InnovaTech, we believe talent should never be limited by opportunity. I want that to really sink in for a second. Talent is equally distributed all over the world, but opportunity? Yeah, it most certainly is not. This organization and this specific scholarship exists to be the bridge over that systemic gap. It's about connecting your raw, inherent potential with the actual tangible chances you need to thrive. So how exactly are they building that bridge? Well, by providing access to practical digital skills that employers are actively begging for right now. I mean, with local and global businesses digitizing so fast, companies are just desperate for technical talent. The Tech Scholarship Cohort 2.0 is designed to be a total catalyst. It's all about arming passionate learners with the highly demanded real-world skills that organizations literally need to survive today. Section 2, 4 Pillars of Innovation. Let's break down the 4 core courses being offered. The first pillar is AI automation, which is all about mastering the tools to streamline processes and build intelligent systems. You know, AI isn't just some futuristic buzzword anymore. It's the engine running the present. This specific course puts learners right at the cutting edge of the global digital transformation. It gives you this highly sought-after ability to make businesses faster, smarter, and just incredibly efficient. The second pillar is data analysis, learning to interpret complex information to drive smart decisions. In our modern world, data is literally everywhere. But here's the thing, it's completely useless if you don't know how to understand it. Learning this skill turns you into a crucial problem solver. You become the person who can look at a giant mountain of raw numbers, find the hidden story inside, and tell an organization exactly what their next move needs to be. The third pillar is UI/UX design. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the focus on the human element, crafting intuitive, human-centered digital experiences. It's not just about, making a website or an app look pretty. It's about understanding human psychology, empathy, and how people actually interact with technology every single day. It ensures that the digital tools we're building genuinely serve the people using them in a seamless, authentic way. And the fourth pillar is web development, building the foundational architecture of the modern internet. Think of it as the digital real estate, because without web developers, all those incredible ideas coming from the other 3 pillars, they wouldn't even have a place to live online. By mastering this, you literally become an architect of the digital world. So the main takeaway here is that these aren't just isolated random classes. They are deeply valuable, highly interconnected career pathways. Section 3, the transformation experience. Let's map out what your actual learning journey looks like. Here's the exact roadmap of that transformation. Step 1, learn by doing. You're not going to be sitting through endless lectures without any application here. Step 2, build real projects. We're talking fully functioning apps or dynamic data dashboards that you can actually show off to employers. Step 3, receive mentorship. You'll be guided by industry experts who have been in your exact shoes. And Step 4, join a growing community of innovators. This concrete, step-by-step journey takes passionate beginners and molds them into industry-ready experts. So, what's the complete package? You aren't just getting textbook knowledge. You're getting a tangible, complete toolkit for your career. We're talking hands-on industry skills, a real-world project portfolio to actually prove what you can do, expert career guidance to help you navigate those tricky job interviews, and an official certificate to validate all your hard work. Basically, the whole shebang. This program is designed to fully equip you for long-term success. And this is the absolute heart of their message right here. No matter where you're starting from, your journey into tech can begin today. It seriously doesn't matter if you have 0 prior coding experience, or if you've never even looked at a data set in your life. Your current circumstances do not dictate your future potential. This specific opportunity is built to meet you exactly where you are right now and lift you up. Section 4, your journey begins today. All right, it's time to talk about applying. Your personal gateway to Cohort 2.0 is open right now. You can apply at the link shown here to secure your spot. This is the moment where everything we've just talked about goes from being a cool idea into a concrete first step in your tech career. But listen, you cannot wait around on this. The application deadline is July 6th, 2026. And considering today is June 21st, you only have a couple of weeks left to get your application in. Opportunities that come packaged with this level of mentorship, real-world projects, and career guidance, they have a strict, fixed window, so the urgency to act is very real. So I'll leave you with this final thought straight from the source. Don't just dream about the future, build it. Dreaming is comfortable, for sure, but building takes action. Take the skills, take the mentorship, and use this opportunity. The blueprint is right here in front of you. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?